Hello everybody, good morning. My name is Alexander. Today is 23rd of January 2023 and this is my chart breakdown for today. A recap from Friday. AUD USD was around here where I said I want a better lower high before I sell. As such, we saw this bullish push and I said I would only want to take a sell unless I see a double bottom and a push back up, or this market continues to go up to give that good lower high point. We see that bullish push for the lower high has happened. On the daily, we might continue to see that bullish push higher because on the daily we have a very bullish market, a retest of this support here, a bullish engulfing. So we might continue to see that bullish push in case that lower high does not hold. Okay. So on this daily, there is one level here. There's a level here where we might see the market reject from. Yeah, so exactly that's where the market is currently. So this market might still push up. So if we get a bullish H4, that means this market wants to continue pushing higher. If we get any bullish candle around this part here, within this candle here, if we get any bullish candle, then we might push the market higher. If not, if there's a bearish candle, then we might see this market push lower. USD CHF was around here, and I said it was stuck in a consolidation. I would only take a sell if there is a close below this level. If not, then it might still push higher. We see that bullish push happen. I draw a counter trend line. I'll only take a sell if there is a break of this counter trend line. Ideally, it's going to be a break of this low here still. If there's a break of the counter trend line, I'll analyze to see if it's going to be a good opportunity for me to take a sell early. If not, we might just get that bounce of this counter trend line back higher. So we might get a bounce of this counter trend line back higher. If not, a bounce here, a breakout of it, a break of this support that looks like it's forming would be a good reason for me to go back into the sell. BTC has finally broken this level. Let's check the weekly. This week, the weekly candle will be, this new weekly candle would tell us if this whole level is broken finally, or it's just a fake out. So after this week, we'll know if the bulls have resumed their move. When they resume, if the bulls have resumed, they might get 29K, we might get 30K also, we might get 29K, we might get 30K before we think about anything else. And if this week closes bearish, that means we will have to wait for next week to determine if we have a potential 1, 2, 3 or a bearish resumption into this market. Also, someone asked me to analyze GBP USD, so let's go over GBP USD. GBP USD is showing bulls on the weekly, showing bullish presence on the daily. We have a daily level where this market is currently at. Let's go to the H4. Let me delete some of these. since it's not relevant anymore. Let's just focus on this part. We see the market is currently at a supply zone. H4 supply. There is a higher low here that if there is some sort of bearish variation down here, we might see the market push back there. If not, if there is a bullish candle breaking above this point, then we might resume that bullish push. There might be a resumption of the bullish push. Let's see, the daily swing has a lot of sellers exhaustion, so we might see that break. If not, it might give us a buyer's exhaustion and we are going to be stuck in some type of consolidation. There is another support here where we might see the markets get to. So if it doesn't break here, it's going to pull back down here, or let's just get down there or down here. Would only do that after a break of this point here. All right, so that's all for my chart breakdown. Let me see DXY. DXY H4 showing bears, daily showing bears also. So look to take sales on USD. This week we have light news, no heavy news today. Tomorrow we have flash PMI for USD. We have CPI for AUD on Wednesday. We have GDP for USD on Thursday, and we have price index and PCE index for USD on Friday. No much news this week, so I'll see you guys on Wednesday. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Take care. Goodbye. God bless.